Today I will make non-alcoholic kiwi mint mojito. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. We will need 3 kiwis, mint leaves, lemon, ice cubes. We use club soda, salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper. To make the sugar syrup, mix half cup of water and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now peel the kiwis. Cut the kiwis into pieces. Keep handful of kiwis aside. Place small kiwi pieces in a blender. Add mint leaves. Add sugar syrup. Add some ice cubes. Blend the ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Now add salt according to your taste. Black pepper. Lemon juice. Mix well. Now we will make kiwi mint mojito. Add soda. Add some kiwi pieces. Some ice cubes. Your yummy kiwi mint mojito is ready. If you like my kiwi mint mojito recipe, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to like, comment, share and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Also check out my social media and other videos.